WAVLINK 300 megabytes Wi-Fi range extender. So as you can see, this is model WLWN578R2. You get multitude of options. You also get this WLAN if you want to hook it up directly. Hello everyone, All Things Reviews, and today we have a brand new product. As you can see, WAVLINK 300 megabytes Wi-Fi range extender. So imagine you have a lot of land or a lot of space like so, and I'm going to actually show you kind of an example illustration. But say you have a lot of space, or just you have a big house, or you just have a lot of walls or something, obstacles in the way, and you need from one corner to the other get Wi-Fi throughout your whole property or wherever you need it to be, but you just can't because the router is at a certain position and you know you can't change it, and now you're having issues and you're trying to figure it out. Well, this is where this WAVLINK 300 megabytes Wi-Fi range extender comes into. As you can see, there are many different colors. Speed up to 300 megabytes, repeat router access point, one button to connect to secure Wi-Fi, WPS, as you can see, and kind of how everything works. So what we're gonna do is actually unbox the product, show you inside of the product everything you get, then kind of do an installation quick tutorial, and then kind of show you the actual range extension that it is possible. So kind of give you some rough ideas, and then talk about the setup and everything, how easy it was, and just the delight versus not delight, give it the rating, and end it at so. So without further ado, let's open up the box. As you can see, this is model WLWN578R2 with a lot of features as shown here. So take everything out the box. Where you can see you have this pin here for resetting and kind of everything. Ideal location, which will present as well. Quick installation guide, and then in some different sort of language. Let me know in the comments. Actually, once it's in this box, the actual product itself, the way it hooks up, the antennas, and if you want to use Ethernet to Ethernet, there you go. You are not Ethernet to Ethernet, but the actual cable to hook up to the router, on, off, repeater, access point, LAN, WLAN, SO. So even in this illustration, everything with checked is actually how the guide recommends you to actually install, and on the back is what it does not recommend. You can see you have an amazing illustration, actual beautiful craftsmanship work on telling you what you should and shouldn't do. Now, opening up this quick installation guide, and also note, it has a QR code actually on the product itself if you want installation. You don't want to use physical. So as you can see, you want to power everything on, repeater position, plug into electrical outlet, shift on, and wait for LED to be green. If you want to do disconnect to Ethernet, turn on Wi-Fi on is off to make sure the laptop's Wi-Fi. Check the Wi-Fi icon taskbar and connect to the device network. WAVLINK, disconnect to Ethernet if you have any, and then turn your laptop's Wi-Fi on, off, and then connect there until you get into this configurement browser. Then you want to select the wizard, enter in your Wi-Fi network, and boom, just like that, everything is put into place. You can see you want it as a Y shape on the on the wall outlet, power strip Y shape. You don't want the actual antennas to be together. So you have a quick guide, so that's kind of how you know. And now let's actually kind of show you where this would be good for. So for example, you know, you have a lot of land kind of like this, and you're just needing something to actually extend, you know, far to reach maybe outside of here where it's nearby. So you see adjacent, and now there's no signal here, and maybe you really want it here, you know. First things first, once per guide you've identified the right spot, you're going to want to switch this on and do the repeater mode. So there's router, access point, repeater. We want to repeater because we are going upstairs into the. Then you just want to click this button in the middle and wait until it's solid. then you're going to want to go into this website and log in. And once you're fully connected, as you can see, solid green, and it works, and you just connect and reconnect. So the only thing that's difficult is in that setting, you need to go on the wizard actually and connect to your Wi-Fi. Then you need to go on the extension, so it's just going to say -ext from the actual thing that you need to be extended. So if your Wi-Fi name is dog, then it would be dog est or ext. You connect back on the dog, and then you go back, and as you can see, fully flashing means it's all good and it's ready for the Wi-Fi extender. So let's see what our new results are. So now, whereas I had an issue here getting signal, as you can see it's kind of far away from the house, I'll show you a screenshot. I now get signal. So this extender works great. Just make sure if you have split SSIDs like I do, you do have to pick one. So now let's put this product back and just talk about good and the bad. So looking at everything, as you can see, what are the good and the bad? Well, you have an easy switch on off, repeater, access point, router. You get multitude of options. You also get this WLAN if you want to hook it up directly. You get guides on top of guides on top of guides. And not only are these guides, as you can see, very well laid out, they're clear, concise, and to the point. It's portable, easy to read with these actual gauges, and you just press it once. So for all of its positives, it's a very good product, unique, compact, in shape. Now, for some perhaps potential negatives I could see, the connection process is a little cumbersome in the sense if you want to do wired connections, which is what most people want to do, you have to come in, go to the extension version of the SSID, then go out once you set everything, and then go back to your regular Wi-Fi and just have this extension kind of in the background. So that it was a little frustrating at first. For wired connections, it's even faster, but I feel like that kind of defeats the point a little bit. And the actual range and signal on this is amazing. I mean, it's like you can't even necessarily notice a difference. And everything kind of was thought out for you. So would I recommend this? Yes, I would definitely recommend this, but there is not a lot of language options as well, I would say. So make sure to watch out for that. I'm gonna send the link down below to purchase it if you like, as you could sell for property like mine. It works on Amazon. All things reviews, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to do something, please let me know or reach out to me. I'll have everything in the description. With the WAVLINK 300 megabytes Wi-Fi range extender, model WL/WN578R2. All things reviews. Until next week, thank you and bye-bye.